Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll discuss a very important topic in Python, that is file handling. I'll see most of the student skip file handling, maybe because teacher always keep it at the end of the syllabus. But let me tell you, file handling is one of the most practical topic in Python. Without it, the data you enter in a program is gone forever the moment you close the program. So in this video I'll make file handling super simple for you, and after it we will make a mini project to perform all CRUD operations: create, read, update and delete using files. So let's get started. Now, what is file handling? File handling simply means working with files, creating them, reading data, updating them and deleting them. In short, store data permanently on our computer so that you can use it later. Let us take an example. If you want to create a student database program without file handling, the data you entered will be lost when you close the program. So in Python, there is a open function to opening a file. First we see opening a file. So let's see the syntax of this. There is an open function in Python to open this. Here we write the file name, and here we write the mode in which we want to open our file. Like we can open it in a write mode, read mode or append mode. Now let's see some general modes that you use maximum times. First one is write mode. This is for writing a data, creates a new file or overwrite existing file. If the file is not exist, it will create the file, and if the file is already exist, then the old data of the file will be lost, right? This overwrites a file. And R for reading the file and A for append. Append means add the data at the end of the file without overwriting it. Now let's see writing a file. For writing a file, we need to open it first. Open, let us say file name is data.txt, and open it in a write mode because we are writing a file. After opening a file, write some content in the file. Now now we are learning file handling basics. But after working with file, you need to close it with f.close. There's a close function to close a file. Let's see, is this running fine? Yeah, yes, it's running fine. Our data.txt will be created with given data. Now let's see reading a file. Again, if we perform any kind of operation, first we need to open a file. Open, here we write the file name, but read works only for the existing file. So here we write the data.txt and open the read mode. Now we store the data of the file read. Just read all the content of the file and store it into a data. Now simply print this data. Let's see if this is working. I commented. Here you can see This reads a file. Now we are learning file handling basics. Now there is one more operation, that is appending data. Again we open a file, uh, existing file data.txt, and now if we are appending, then open in append mode, and what we want to append, just right here. If I want this is to be in next line, then we write backslash n hello from Python. And as tell you, here I not close the file, but we always close the file. But after working with file, you need to close it, right? So I'll comment it, and here close this file also. Now see, it's running fine. Yeah, our program is getting executed. Let's see, is this appending right? Here it's append the next line, hello from Python, in our existing data.txt, right? Here we see the append mode also. Now see, using with a statement, there is a best practices to working with files, because with automatically close the file after use. Let's see, uh, the syntax, open. Here we write with open, and the file name, that is data.txt. Again I open it in a read mode as f. Now store the file data in this data variable. Now print this data. Here we don't need to close it, because if you are using with a statement, then Python automatically close the file after use, right? So this is running fine. Here you can see this is running fine. Now we are learning file handling basics. Hello from Python. The data that written over here. So these basics are enough to build a project, right? In the next video, I'll make one mini project to perform all CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. And if you really learning something new from this video, then give us like and also comment on our channel. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टेक केयर, बाय बाय.